Hey Raven, we are at 822 West Ocean View Ave and we are going to take you for a tour. Let's go. All right, so here is the front of the house. So you do have this one-car garage right here and some parking. I kind of went to the side of the garage. And then here are some of these units in front of you. So you come in, so you're tucked back in off the street, which is nice. And then you have this parking right here for the tenant upstairs. So you do have an ample amount of parking, even if you don't go into the garage. You have, heading over this way, peek into the garage. They did the deck around this tree right here. Here is this garage area. So deep garage, they do have a fridge right there, and then plenty of storage for decorations and whatnot. Heading back up, do have this little area if you were to hang out in the front, and then it does look like you could walk back to the backyard as well. And then they have a little shower head for outdoor shower. This is turf right here. Heading on inside, you have a front porch area right here. Heading on in, does have a very large living space right here. Goes into your dining room, into the kitchen. Does have gas fireplace, microwave, refrigerator. Has a pantry right here. And into one of the bedrooms and a full bath. So you have your toilet, vanity, shower right here. Very high ceilings, washer dryer, and some additional storage right there. And into the bedroom. This bedroom does have a window unit there and the electrical panel on the wall. Heading on over this way, back through the kitchen, into the dining, and back through the living room. So we were saying that you could potentially turn this space into an additional bedroom if needed, since there is a lot of space in this living room. That would be out to the back deck. And into the next bedroom, you have your closet right here. Really big space. They have king bed, 2 side tables, and then sitting area right here. And then a full bath. So each unit is 2 bed, 2 full baths. This one's actually has a half bath as well. So this primary has an ensuite as well as that other bedroom having an ensuite. And then,
the third bedroom can be.
yeah. And then you have your half bath right here off of this living room area. And as I had mentioned, we were saying that you could potentially turn this space right here into a 3rd bedroom. You could even, if you didn't want the front porch area, extend that out, and then you would still have a lot of space over here for your living room. Both upstairs and downstairs have the electric fireplace, and both have their own decks out to the backyard with your own private beach access. There is a little step down right here for this, and then some more space over here.
How's the garbage pick up here? You know?
Yeah, it's good. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye. We are at this adorable duplex in Ocean View. I'm showing you the second unit. So you do have this driveway space for their own private parking. We have trash cans, and heading on up the stairs. Looks like this is all new wood that they have on this deck upstairs. This doesn't look bad, just could use a power wash, and you do have some amazing views. Welcome to Ocean View. This is where I live. I live down the street. Here is downstairs deck. So each unit has their own private deck. And then heading on inside, you have your kitchen when you first walk in. So there is tile in the kitchen. You have your electric range, microwave. You have dishwasher, sink, and refrigerator. And then it opens up into your living room area. Make this a little wider. And then of course you can see out there as well. Have your dining room, little entryway. We have one full bath right here with your stackable washer dryer, toilet, and shower. And then one of the bedrooms right here. And then another bedroom right here that also has an ensuite. Here is closet. So you have 2 beds and 2 full baths. And some storage back here. I'll take you out so you can see these views once again.